This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find and see how much random access memory you have on this device. First step is to make the developer options visible, which you can do by entering the About Tablet category of settings and continuously tapping at the build number a few times until you'll see the "You're now a developer" message. Then re-enter the system category this time, go for the developer options, and at the memory page you'll be able to see not only the amount of memory you've got, but also how much of it is being averagely used, as well as its performance level. And statistics by apps as well, which apps use how much RAM, to put it in simpler terms. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.